to my channel. My name is Fola Ajile and I want to welcome you once again to this channel. So in this video I'll be talking to you on Royal Q robots, the difference between one shot and cycle. So once again, my name is Fola Ajile and I want to urge you to please subscribe to my channel if you're here too, and also to turn on the notification bell so you can get access to enriching content that can teach you on how to have financial independence and also digital marketing. Thank you. So once again, I want to teach you about one shot versus cycle. So a lot of you have ventured into Royal Q robot. Maybe you use the app already, or you want to use the app and you don't know what settings you should actually do, or you've been doing one settings or the other, and someone have told you, or you've heard, you've watched video on whether you should use cycle or one shot, and you've been thinking what is the difference between cycle and one shot, and why should I use cycle or one shot? I want to tell you. I will address that in this video. So let's get started. So take for example, you want to do what? Pick a trade, and what you have to do is what you go to quantitative, and you can see any of the coins that you want to do what you want to trade. So let's take for example, I want to trade this, which is dot. As you can see here, you can see what one shot. The fact that you are saying one shot here simply means that it is in cycle mode at this particular point in time. So what is the difference? One shot simply means when you make your trade settings. Take for example, let me go for trade settings, and you do what? You input your first buy in amount and you sell to your call margin call limit. Let's say the margin call limit is 2. Then we have to go towards the margin configuration. So you can see the first call here is 3.5%, the second call is 4, and the multiple buy in ratio is 2 and 4 respectively. One shot simply means that whenever this when you start trading this coin, when you click on start, the robot is going to buy the coin with 10 USDT. Yes, that is what is going to happen here. And as you can see, the margin call limit is 2 and the whole position take profit ratio is 1.3%. So when it gets to 1.3%, what's going to happen is going to do what? It's going to take profit. Yes, that's what's going to happen. So with one shot, once it takes profit, what's going to happen? It will close trading. It has finished trading. Maybe you bought for 10 USDT and it actually took a profit of 1.3%. That will be what? That will be 0.13 USDT. So you're going to have a profit of 0.13 USDT. And once that is done, that is the end of what? The trading. But when you talk of cycle, this is what's going to happen. This is what's going to happen. Whenever it buys the first amount at 10 USDT, it will do what? It will wait for the coin to have a profit of 1.3%, and once that happens, it's going to do what? It's going to sell the coin. So assuming it's bought the first amount of 10 USDT, when it makes a profit of 0.13, it's going to do what? It's going to sell, and that is your profit. But in cycle mode now, what will happen now is this: after selling, and now that you have $10.13, it's going to buy the coin again. So it's going to buy the coin again with 10 USDT, and once it grows again by 1.3%, it's going to sell, then keep buying again another 10 USDT, and it's going to do what? It's going to sell when it makes 1.3%. So it keeps buying, So take for example, it bought it at 1.7. When it gets to 1.9, if 1.9, let's assume, is a 1.3%, it's going to sell. And once that happens, the next thing it's going to do is this: at that 1.9, it's going to open another position, buy another amount of 10 USD, and let's say 2.01 is when it goes to 1.3%. It's going to do what? It's going to is going to sell it again, and once it sells at that 2.01, what will happen is going to do what? Is going to buy another coin. So it continues on and on like that, and that is one of the reasons why a lot of people get stuck when they use cycle mode. So with this and with what I have explained, I will tell you that I believe it is always safe to use what one shot over the cycle mode. Yes, the cycle mode may possibly bring you a lot of profit, but it comes with a lot of risk. Let's take for example, the coin is growing. You see situations that are times when a coin will have over 200% increase. Yes, the coin might be growing and it keeps buying in a cycle, and you believe you're having profit, but when the coin, let's take for example, when Bitcoin came from 50 something thousand USD to what, to 30 something USD, or even as low as 20 something thousand USD, if you're using cycle, that can get you into a whole lot of problem. If you're using one shot, you know, because you have the margin configuration and you can also buy open more position when it is deep, I think you know that one shot will probably what, be the safest way for you to trade on this robot. Thank you, and I want to appreciate you once again for visiting my channel and watching this video. If you are yet to join RoyalQ and you feel like you want to join, please, you can check my video showing on the screen or the description below, and you can join using my link. And I want to tell you that we will train you through the way and the means through which you should do what, you should trade with the RoyalQ robot. Once again, my name is Fola Ajile, and I want to urge you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get access to enriching videos. Thank you.